What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So before we get to the unboxing, I just want to make a quick announcement. If you were part of the Husky Liners giveaway, I just wanted to let you know, either tomorrow or Sunday, I'm going to go collect all the names, get everything ready to go. And either Sunday or Monday, I'm going to do a live stream where I do the drawing to see who won the Husky Liners. So make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you know when I go live. If you can't be there when I go live, no big deal. You could always watch the replay later on whenever you have the time. But just so you know, either Sunday or Monday, we are going to do the Husky Liners giveaway live stream. All right, now on to the unboxing. I just got something in the mail that I ordered last week. All right, I'm going to show you the box. What you got to do is we got to play the honor system. You got to pause the video and tell me what you think it is. The one hint that you have, it cost $158. That was the price of the item. And here is the box. Make sure you get a good shot of it. This is the thickness. Obviously, it's a part for the Platinum Pro outside. It is a part for the Tundra. So what I want you to do is pause the video right now and give me an idea of what you think this is. Go. All right, let's open the box, see what we got. All right, so it's actually a little bit smaller of a box. Next box. So there you go. Here it is. We're going to pop this thing open and I'll show you what it is. Just so you know, before I forget to tell you, the item link will be in the description below if you are interested in purchasing said item that you are about to see. And here we go. I guess I'll just tell you because I can't really show you much right here, but it is the Tundra wireless charging tray for your truck, for your cell phone. There's a picture of it. Goes right in the middle, right in the middle of your center console. Actually, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory, but here it is. Looks like a pretty simple install too, which is totally cool. There's the item right there. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out, all right? And that's why I get these things. I get these things for you guys, so if you don't want to spend the money, you don't have to. I can tell you if I like it or not. But that's pretty cool. We're going to go out to the Tundra in a minute. I'm going to show you where this thing sits just in case you don't know. But all of us Tundra owners always put our phone in that tray on the center console. Now when we do it, it'll charge. So what I want to do with this, I have an iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. And it is, obviously, you can wireless charge with it. But I want to see if it'll work with the OtterBox and everything. So it'll be a good test for everyone to see what it's like. Neat little item. It doesn't break the bank. That's the good part, too. This isn't like a $600 item. It's not that much, 158 bucks. Then you use the Tundra Dude 34 promo code to save yourself 5%. Obviously, this is from Sparks Parts. So I'm really looking forward to installing this. And what more can we say? Let's take it out to the truck and see how it will look when we actually do install it. All right, here we are. This is obviously where I was talking about, center console. This little slot, like I said, we all put our phones here. It's just what we do. I don't know about you. I actually charge mine right here using the old school cord. But what this does, I'm guessing you have to take this off and everything. I mean, like I said, it doesn't look too hard to do, but eventually it will sit like that. The Platinum badge or whatever badge you have, SR5 Limited, TRD Pro, will be able to go right in here. No big deal. And it'll sit there. And you could use it as a charger if you want or not, because all you have to do is hit that button to turn it on to actually charge, or you could have stuff there like normal. So there it is. Like I said, very simple install. This is what it came with. Came with a little wiring, a little bit of this. I'm guessing you already used the screws in here. And from what I saw, there is instructions available online at sparksparts.com. So there you have it. So I'm really looking forward to installing this, add a little technology to the Platinum Pro. Like I said, $158 or so at Sparks Parts. Tundra Dude 34 promo code saves you 5%. Sparks is awesome. And it's something that's it's neat. I really look forward to seeing if it works out. Now, one thing I want to check, this is what I was talking about downstairs in the basement. I want to see if it works with this on it. This is like a little thin OtterBox, or am I going to have to take the OtterBox off every single time I use it? We will do the test. Long-term reliability, we will do the test. How easy is the install? You know, is it as easy as it looks as far as, you know, the instructions? I went through it real quick. They look pretty good. But is it that easy? We all know sometimes we go to do something and it's supposed to be bing, bang, boom, and it ends up being like a whole day project. So we will see. So let me know what you think. Are you interested in the wireless charging tray for your Tundra? Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great evening.